Thanks for checking out St. Louis Community College's Certified Welding Technician program. This program is offered through the Advanced Manufacturing, Industrial Occupation, and Transportation Department. It is located at the Center for Workforce Innovation, Florissant Valley campus. Welders are in high demand in the St. Louis area. Train for a new career as a welder and find opportunities for growth and advancement. St. Louis Community College's AWS Certified Welding Technician program is designed for individuals seeking a career in welding. In this accelerated program, you'll be trained to achieve a complete understanding of welding symbols and how to read print drawings, use the correct procedure in setting up equipment and the skills used in welding. We will train you in the procedures for stick, MIG, flux core, and TIG on both pipe and plate. We'll train you to understand the physical aspects of different metals and to develop the cognitive and physical skills necessary to pass certification tests in both pipe and plate welding. St. Louis Community College's Certified Welding Technician program offers a new welding lab with high-tech equipment from Lincoln Electric, experienced certified instructors, short-term accelerated training, and students can test for multiple national welding certifications in accordance with the American Welding Society standards. Day and evening classes available to fit your schedule. For more information on the welding program, please contact us at 314-513-4609 or visit us at stlweld.com.